So I want to pop on this morning because Dr. John Campbell shared some information from the World Health Organization about MS. So let's have a chat about that. I put together an MS video last week, so I'll try to cut and paste that at the end. If I don't, then I'll try to put the link in the notes. Anyway, so this is what the World Health Organization has released about multiple sclerosis. The World Health Organization is now stating in their database that COVID-19 vaccination can induce multiple sclerosis via cross-reactive CD4 plus T cells recognizing SARS-CoV-2 spike proteins and myelin peptides. In other words, your body turns against you. So what they found in the myelin sheath is that the spike proteins from the COVID vaccines are being found within the myelin. So that is why detoxification, which is one of the things that I've always done with my clients who have MS, you've got to detoxify the nervous system first. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to remyelinate or upregulate the genes that help to repair and heal the myelin sheath. So the other day we were talking about we need extra circulating stem cells to help to heal. We need things like the sulforaphane pathways, which are to do with major detoxification and switching back on of over 1,000 genes that are anti-inflammatory and pro-detox and anti-cancer. So we need to be getting this upregulation of things like fulvic acid and humic acid and fully purified zeolites that help to bind the worst toxins in the body. And of course, there's many things that help to break down the spike proteins. So who knows what the next published study the World Health Organization is going to release about the side effects of these COVID vaccines. But at least this is one disease that we're now allowed to talk about it because they have released it and admitted it and studied it. Have a nice day.